taste all the flavors of life you need to know. Achuete made with a lot of love, bringing delicious things from everywhere. Come with us, discovering the meaning of life and what does it show. We love food world, we love food world. With Antonia Septimo from Philippines and Ricardo Nunes from Madeira. Taste all the flavors of life you need to know. Achuete made with a lot of love, bringing delicious things from.
Good morning! Hello people, good morning everyone. Welcome to our channel. And we're gonna cook today with Ricardo Nunes from We Love Food World.
There, Antonia is cooking. What are you cooking today?
Okay guys, by the way, I'm gonna cook a recipe inasal chicken from Philippine recipe.
Receita das Filipinas, pessoal. E hoje está muito calor. It's very, very, very hot today. The weather is nice and hot.
It's so boiling.
And I want to eat that delicious recipe from the Philippines. Galinha inasal.
Inasal means like a barbecue.
É com o molho do churrasco ao estilo das Filipinas. Antonia, a máquina is making noise. Wait, the dishwasher is making too much noise. Huh? We're trying to cook and the machine is making too much noise. Estamos a tentar a cozinhar e a máquina está a fazer muito barulho. Hein? Apaga essa máquina. Hein? Assim os clientes, as pessoas não vão gostar do vídeo. Hein? The noise, the people don't gonna like the video. Okay? Alright, stop now. Okay. Let's back to the recipe. Eh?
I'm washing.
Okay, let's go back to the recipe. Eh? Okay, pessoal.
In the kitchen we are
Fire!
and Portuguese.
Na cozinha SEMOS
FOGO!
Believe that. Acredita nisso, pessoal, hein?
Okay people. Okay guys, come on, let's go. Okay, meron tayong chicken, brown sugar, coconut, not vanilla, it's the vinegar, lemon, and ginger, bawang, garlic, and powder of lemongrass. So I don't have, no fresh lemongrass. So I just powder. I have in the garden lemongrass, but not yet. Okay, people. Of course, salt and pepper. Okay, and there's the breast chicken. So this is the whole chicken, but I cut it into 4, and the legs as well. Okay guys, kamayin ko na. Yeah, kakamayin natin to. And then later on, I'm gonna wash. By the way, okay, unahin natin yung sugar. Brown sugar. With the coconut. Okay.
Leite de coco e açúcar.
Okay,
Sal,
pimenta. Lagyan natin siya ng salt. Okay guys, as in taste, estimating. Okay people, and then
lemongrass.
Okay, 1 spoon.
Então, pontinho de limão, e lemon juice.
Sorry, very noisy. Okay guys, salahin natin yung seed, lemon. I'll have the press one, okay. I do have 2 lemon. I cut it, okay? 2 lemon, big lemon. we're gonna marinate this. And then guys, I have vinegar as well. Just one vinegar. And then this is the lemongrass. I need to grate this.
Ginger.
Ginger, sorry. Nagpapasarap. Ginger is the good. Okay guys, look at this. I need to be careful.
Cuidado com os dedos, eh? Don't watch your fingers when you do that, eh?
Oh.
Antonia is a professional, she knows what she's doing. You, when you watch this recipe, be very, very careful. Pessoal, Antonia é profissional, ela sabe o que está a fazer, né? Mas você tem que ter cuidado, né?
Ai! Ai!
Alho.
Hello. Okay. If you have a machine, you know, like just easy one. We have before, but I don't know, guys, where it's. Okay, guys, I need to mix my hands, yeah. My hands, it's so clean.
As mãos dela estão limpas.
Yummy, huh? Look at that. Amazing.
Galinha inasal, hein? Yeah? Chicken inasal, hein? Receita das Filipinas.
Look at the sugar. The paper. It's all done. I need to wash my hands. Okay, guys. Okay. Yeah, quiet, massive, okay? Okay, people. Lagyan natin yung sauce. And then later on, I'm gonna put again, guys, the sauce, okay? If already dry, I put again.
Vou pôr o molho e depois, daqui a pouco, vou pôr mais molho quando
If
tiver
dry, I
metade
put
cozido.
again later.
Yeah, when it's half cooked, eh? You're gonna put
Yeah.
again, eh?
I'll
Quando
put
tiver
it for-
metade cozinhado, vai pôr again o molho. Vai pôr outra vez o molho.
Thank you. Mwah. Okay, hi guys. I put a little bit to no dry the sauce because the sauce is so yummy and very, you know. In a minute, I'm always tapping on. Nice and juicy, you know. Oh, amazing, isn't it? And delicious. Hi guys, look at that. My inasal is yummy and delicious. Look at that. Smell good, isn't it? Okay, people. That's presenting. It's really, really hot. Okay. Make sure it's not. This one with the rice. You like rice? Amazing. Okay, don't worry. Okay, guys. Okay, guys. Look at this, my inasal, chicken inasal is look yummy and delicious. This sauce is a soy sauce, chili, lemon, and I put spicy. So it's really not yummy. With rice as well. Look delicious. Hi guys, hopefully you like my recipe inasal. It's from Filipino recipe. Okay people, this is look yummy and delicious, very popular in Philippines. So hopefully you like it, and thank you for watching. All the best for you guys. Mwah, love you all. See you our next video.
Taste all the flavors of life you need to know. Achuete made with a lot of love, bringing delicious things from everywhere. Come with us, discovering the meaning of life and what does it show. We love food world, we love food world.
SEMOS from Philippines and Ricardo Nunes from Madeira.
If you want to taste all the flavors of life, you need to know. Achuete made with a lot of love, bringing delicious things from